How to unsubscribe Pandora Music Premium. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, you have to go ahead and open up a browser, so go ahead and do that. If you are using an iOS device, go ahead and open up a Safari. In the search bar, go ahead and search for pandora.com and give it a search. You'll be redirected to the official homepage of Pandora. In here, you'll find various of packages that you can get access to it. To unsubscribe, you will have to tap on the hamburger icon at the very top. Then head to the subscription option. Right now, I don't have any of the subscription, but I will let you know how it's gonna look. At the very bottom, you will find an option called Switch Plan. So you have to go ahead and tap on the Switch Plan option. So go ahead and tap on it. Then at the bottom, you will see Cancel Subscription. Just go ahead and tap on Cancel Subscription. After that, for confirmation, it will ask you for your password. Enter your password and select Yes, cancel my subscription. After your subscription is cancelled, you will be notified of the exact date your premium was cancelled. Isn't it simple? And that's a wrap for this video as well. We hope you will go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.